As Kansas passes 115,000 cases and more than 1,200 deaths tonight, hospitals in our area are filling up fast. Just today, one of the largest hospitals in our area says that they have hit their limit and are in a dire situation. KSNT News reporter Dan Garrett joins us live from the hospital now. Dan?
Yeah, Brooke, just today, Stormont Vail here in Topeka announced they are at max capacity for coronavirus patients. Now, this has to do with the amount of beds and staff members they have available to deal with those patients. And just today, the CEO said they did not expect to reach max capacity this quickly. And now leaders across the state are dealing with the skyrocketing numbers.
COVID is alive and unfortunately very well here in the state of Kansas.
Kansas Governor Laura Kelly is bringing attention to the rising number of coronavirus cases in the state, this time putting extra emphasis on how hospitals are impacted.
Our hospitals are filling up, they're maxing out, they're looking for places to transfer patients, even as far as out of state.
This was supported by Stormont Vail Health's announcement today. The Topeka Hospital CEO says they are at their maximum capacity to help coronavirus patients. Governor Kelly issued a mask mandate in July requiring Kansans over the age of 5 to wear face masks in public. However, a state law passed in June stripped the governor of some emergency powers and allows counties to opt out of the mandate. At the time, only a handful of Kansas counties voted to adopt the governor's mandate. However, with coronavirus cases surging in rural communities right now, many counties that initially opted out are now opting in. Just today, Brown County officials issued a mask mandate that went into effect immediately. Let's take a look at where other counties stand on a mask mandate in Kansas. We've updated this map to show the latest information about which counties in the state have some type of mask mandate. Right now, about half the counties in Kansas have adopted some rule requiring masks to be worn. Now, some of the mandates are not countywide or only apply to certain areas. Forbes magazine ranked Kansas as the 10th riskiest state to visit right now based on the surge in new cases and the unenforced statewide mask mandate.
We have a real crisis on our hands in terms of public health, and we are dealing with that. We'll continue to take aggressive actions to do what we can to stem the tide of this virus.
Now, today I spoke to Shawnee County Emergency Management to see if there will be any changes to the health order here in Shawnee County. And I was told on Thursday they will propose a new plan that county commissioners will be able to vote on. Live in Central Topeka, Dan Garrett, KSNT News.
All right, thank you, Dan.